Well, good morning to you. It is 5 o'clock, and I'm Joan Jones with your top stories. Hey, your commute may start off this morning with some thick fog.
Some pretty dense fog. I mean, visibility is down to a mile, if not less than that, across a lot of the area. If you're coming in from the east side of the city, that seems to be where the fog is the worst.
Yeah, Channel 4 Stefano DiPietro there. You may want to leave a few minutes early this morning because of it. In the state legislature, a measure passed the House yesterday that would allow judges to deny bail for the most violent crimes, including aggravated rape of a child or murder. Judges would be required to explain in writing why they're denying bail. The Senate's already voted in favor of this with yesterday's House vote. It's a big win for House Speaker Cameron Sexton.
We just merely are doing this to put it on the ballot for a vote and letting the people of Tennessee make the decision for themselves. But if the Tennessee approves of this, we will join 22 other states that have some form of this.
This is a constitutional amendment. It goes on the ballot for Tennesseans to vote on in November of 2026. A distracted driver struck one of two police vehicles, which had been pulled off to the shoulder for a traffic stop on I-40 yesterday. This happened in Mount Juliet, near Mount Juliet Road. Now, fortunately, nobody was hurt. The driver, though, cited for a number of violations. The driver telling police he wasn't paying attention at the time of the crash because he was reading a prescription. President Trump is defending his defense secretary after new unsourced accusations that Pete Hegseth shared classified war plans in another Signal messaging chat.
The Pentagon Inspector General is already investigating whether any sensitive or classified information was improperly shared. But some Democrats say that's not enough. They want a separate investigation into whether Hegseth broke the law.
That is ABC's Nicole D'Antonio reporting. Market numbers now brought to you by Beacon Capital Management, online at beaconcm.com.
Stocks tumbled at the start of the trading week. The Dow dropping 972 points. The S&P fell 124 and the Nasdaq lost 415 points. Big tech companies will begin releasing first quarter earnings this week. The Federal Trade Commission has filed a lawsuit against Uber. The complaint filed in the U.S. District Court for the Northern District of California alleges the rideshare and delivery company charged consumers for its Uber One subscription service without their consent, failed to deliver promised savings, and then made it difficult for users to cancel the service. Walgreens has agreed to pay $300 million in a settlement with the Justice Department. The DOJ accused the pharmacy chain of systematically filing invalid prescriptions for opioids and other drugs. Walgreens, for its part, is admitting no.